What's up guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best ductless air conditioners in 2023. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Top bang for the money invested, we've selected the Della 24000 air conditioner for you as the best value ductless air conditioner in 2023. Taking over the functionality of your home's indoor comfort system, the Della brand is ready to help achieve control, energy efficiency, and long-lasting peace of mind. This air conditioner is a maximum efficiency and cooling system. It saves 70% more energy, produces 40% faster cooling, and reduces vibrations by 88%. The Plasmaster Ionizer sterilizes up to 99.9% of bacteria and deodorizes. You can heat or cool your space efficiently with this mini split air conditioner. We're looking at a pre-charged air conditioning unit designed with a mini split inverter plus a ductless system with a heat pump and dehumidification. The device can easily be controlled and adjusted from the remote control or through the Della application. The package includes everything needed for easy installation. This product provides cooling and heating up to 1,500 square feet. Furthermore, Della 24000 air conditioner features automatic defrost, self-diagnosis cleaning, a 24-hour timer, sleep mode, eco-energy saving mode, multiple fan speeds, etc. Another thing that users particularly like is that this air conditioner is ultra quiet and operates at only 49 decibels. Della 24000 air conditioner will detect the current room temperature, so it'll adjust the flow of temperature and air depending on it, which achieves energy savings. Furthermore, in just a few minutes, this device will provide an equal amount of airflow in every part of the room where it's located, so you can set it to 60 to 90 degrees Fahrenheit and enjoy maximum comfort. Also, 3 different fan speeds are available. Choose between high, low, medium, and sensitive fan speeds depending on your needs or noise preferences. Della 24000 air conditioner comes in white color and the following dimensions: 44.57 by 13 by 13 inches, while its weight is 28.7 pounds. For the listed price, you can't beat this one. Today is the Cooper & Hunter air conditioner, also known as the best for large room ductless air conditioner available on the market in 2023. With 2 main components, an outdoor compressor condenser and an indoor air conditioning unit, these systems are easy to install and don't require complex, expensive ductwork. This powerful mini split AC is an air conditioner, heater, and dehumidifier all in one. Highly efficient, incredibly quiet, made from the highest quality materials, this dual-zone mini-split model will cover up to 2,500 square feet. The Sophia series offers outstanding features such as low ambient heating and cooling down to -13 degrees Fahrenheit, and customizable infrared remote control settings. In the package, you'll receive an external compressor, 36,000 BTU, which is already fully charged with refrigerant, 2 operating valves, 18,000 BTU plus 18,000 BTU, 2 remote controls, and 2 25-inch lines wirings. The outdoor unit is pre-charged and can hold up to 75 feet of refrigerant lines. It includes built-in base pan and compressor heater to improve efficiency and reliability. Also, the Cooper & Hunter air conditioner is an extremely quiet indoor unit with a low noise level operating at only 25 decibels. Thanks to the independent zone control, the air is delivered directly to each room, where the temperature is independently controlled without any problems according to your current needs and wishes. Also, this product saves you money. Add an inverter that eliminates high-amp start-stops and independent zone control, and the Cooper & Hunter air conditioner can save you up to 60%. Users get a 5-year warranty on parts and a 7-year warranty on the compressor. The Cooper & Hunter air conditioner comes in the size of 45 by 40 by 40 inches, while its weight is 320 pounds. Good stuff, a thumbs up from here. The next product on our review list is the ideal option for you. We present to you the Senville CNET 36 HFQ air conditioner. Also known as the best smart ductless air conditioner in 2023, it provides you with a range of features, including SEER 22.5, with an air conditioner and heat pump, turbo mode, ionizing air filter, dehumidification, timer function, follow me function, and much more. It surpasses many well-known brands when it comes to efficiency. Enjoy the benefits of a cool, air-conditioned room with a simple air conditioner that's easy to install. The device is backed by a 10-year manufacturer's warranty. This 10-year warranty offers coverage for the compressor and a 5-year warranty on other parts. You can control your Senville mini split air conditioner with the Alexa app or voice control with any Alexa-enabled device, set routines, and control multiple rooms from anywhere. Adjust your temperature settings from the office or on the go for greater efficiency and superior control, as long as you have an internet connection. Great for vacation homes or for better efficiency and temperature control. Considering that it comes with several air conditioners that you can put inside, it is perfect for houses and apartments with several rooms. Of course, it also has an external air conditioning unit. Alexa allows for simple and practical voice control, so you can ensure the desired temperature is waiting for you at home, wherever you are. As for the design, the Senville Scenic 36 HFQ air conditioner boasts a rather attractive design, as well as a very durable and solid construction. Also, you have free installation and technical support, so you don't have to worry. The following components are included in the box: an external condenser, internal valves, and a 16-foot installation kit. And finally, it should be pointed out that this product requires installation by professionals. Senville Scenic 36 HFQ air conditioner comes in white color in the size of 60 by 48 by 48 inches, while its weight is 225 pounds. If you can afford this beast, we say go for it. The next DIY air conditioner, also known as the best DIY installation ductless air conditioner available on the market in 2023. Unlike all other ductless heat pumps on the market, Mr. Cool's DIY series is specially designed for easy installation. Also, you get 7 years warranty on the compressor, 5 years on parts, and 1 year on the remote control after product registration. Additionally, Mr. Cool DIY air conditioner is compatible with Google Assistant and Alexa. Also, the DC converter and variable speed compressor technology minimize electricity costs. So buying this product saves you money in the long run. Refrigerant leak detection ensures that your system continues to operate efficiently without degradation due to undetected corrosion. Furthermore, Mr. Cool's DIY temperature compensation technology keeps you comfortable no matter what the weather is like. This product also offers low ambient cooling of up to 5 degrees Celsius. Also, the device is well protected and easy to unpack when it arrives. Users report that it cools and heats a 24 by 46 foot room with no problems whatsoever. Also, it boasts more than a beautiful and practical design and looks great on the wall. In addition, it offers quiet operation, so users are satisfied even when the noise level's in question. And finally, we'll mention the dimensions. The Mr. Cool DIY air conditioner comes in the size of 31.57 depth by 7.44 width by 11.69 inches height, while the outdoor dimensions are 31.5 by 13.11 by 21.81 inches. This is a quality product, and all we can do is recommend it. Finally, after all the carefully summarized reviews, opinions, and experiences, we have come to a unanimous conclusion that the Senville Lido air conditioner is the best overall ductless air conditioner available on the market in 2023. We are looking at an 18,000 BTU mini split air conditioner and heat pump that offers a versatile and affordable solution for cooling and heating your home or business. The Senville Lido series offers one of the highest efficiencies in its class. With an efficiency rating of C or 19, you can enjoy the benefits of a climate-controlled cool room, as well as efficient heating that can be added to almost any home, business, or space you need cooled or heated. This is an efficient, affordable, and exceptionally designed mini split air conditioner with minimal audible noise, ensuring the most comfortable overall experience. Senville combines affordability, efficiency, and advanced environmental performance with its inverter technology. The results are a drastic reduction in energy consumption of up to 20%, which ultimately makes it one of the most efficient systems with inverter technology. Opt for a split system with inverter technology to ensure you minimize your energy costs. Users also have Alexa at their disposal, so you can easily control the climate functions with your voice wherever you are. Senville Lido air conditioner has an attractive appearance, so it'll easily fit into the desired space, and it can boast of good durability and solid, high-quality construction. Therefore, it's both perfect for bedrooms and for restaurants, shops, and more. This Senville Lido air conditioner comes packaged with outdoor condensers, a 16-foot installation kit, indoor ventilation, a communication wire, and a remote control. As for the warranty, you get 5 years for the compressor, as well as a 5-year parts warranty. And here, of course, you have free installation and technical support. But it should be emphasized that the product requires installation by a professional. Senville Lido air conditioner comes in the size of 40 by 48 by 40 inches, while the weight of the product is 78.3 pounds. Overall, this product delivers premium performance at the best possible price-quality ratio. You wanted the best, you got it. So that's it for the top 5 best ductless air conditioners in 2023. Like, comment, and subscribe to receive the notifications about our latest video.